Good morning, y'all. It is time for another Key West day.
We're going back.
I know. But we just slept over there. No.
We probably should have. No, it's not that far, truthfully.
Yeah, so it's about an hour back to Key West, and we got lots of fun stuff planned for today. So we're gonna go seek out some breakfast and then head that way.
Yeah.
Are y'all ready for more adventure? There might be some.
Better prepared with sunscreen today.
That's true. There might be some water adventures again today. Anyway, all right, just come on. There's lots of animal adventures. All right, come on.
Come on. Bye.
We've decided to start our day here at Big Pine Key. We're choosing a different key for Bagel Island. And, well, guess we could have a chicken bagel. No. Coffee cam, and bagel cam, but you know.
It's good, I tried that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff. The bagel sandwiches are good. I also got a guava cheese pastry, because that just seemed like something I needed. Coffee's good. We're off to a good start.
They had a huge menu, and I really like that you could pick whatever cheese you wanted, because that's kind of rare. So I got provolone. I love provolone.
I got
the little things,
cheddar. Right? Is that cool? Okay.
Cheddar's fine.
I'm cool. All right, y'all. We're going to Key West now. Bye. Don't watch her eat. Don't stop it.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, quit it. Okay, bye. Alright, a morning adventure. We've decided to explore a place that we've never really given ourselves the time to explore here in Key West.
Why not?
Which is the Hemingway home.
Cats and Hemingway stuff.
I like how the first thing you think of is cats.
Okay, everybody. Well,
It's true.
Yeah.
Alright, onward.
Credit card.
Ernest Hemingway Home. Oh yeah, I guess maybe at some point it must have said no credit cards, but apparently they do. Aha!
Because of colonial times, they actually made it.
Gotcha. Alright, we just went through the ticket booth, got our admission.
She's a cat. And she's
I know there was a cat in the ticket booth. What the heck?
better.
Yeah, real hard to see stuff up close, but anyway, let's venture.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Can't even get in the door and there's a cat. Y'all. Anyway, please do not sit on the furniture. I'm sure that includes the cats as well. Photos by D is going to be all cats, I can tell.
Huh? All pictures.
Yep. I think there's like 40 some odd cats on this property, so you're going to collect them all like Pokemon. How many pictures of cats have you taken? Oh gosh.
Kitchen. There's a cat on the table.
There could be cats in the kitchen. So I am not allowed to enter the kitchen. They know better. And that I do like to snack. Could have some lemons. Some fresh fruit. Mmm. Just chilling. This is like it's like a cat cafe, but not quite.
Yeah.
I see some chicks, and I see us. Let's venture upstairs. There is where Hemingway did all of his best brainstorming. The throne. latest edition of In the Shower with Jay. Well, I don't know about this one, y'all. I'm not even gonna give this one a rating. I do like the bathroom set, though. Oh, mercy. Should have known the cats would be chilling in the bedroom. That just makes sense. Now you don't get to take any home. Let's get some close-up squish bean action. Wow. This one's like, why are you so close to me? Is the cat's leading you back in here? Oh my word. Well, that was the bulk of the inside of the house. Now we're going to have a little wander outside. She's found the cat again already, y'all.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, cat's not taking any risks there. Now we're continuing our tour to see if we can find all of Hemingway's cats. Yep, there's one. 2 more. Very dark over there. Kittens. This is cool back here. Getting close to the pool with all this bamboo and a little fountain. Could get some pictures.
Yeah.
She's a spider cat, of course. Oh, something happened. That looks mighty inviting right about now.
I'll even get the leaf out of it.
Yeah, see, you can jump in, clean it up. We'll just have a little swim with the elephant. Oh wow, it goes to 8 feet 7 inches.
Whoa.
That is a tall pool.
And that's really one of the reasons he stayed, because they're waiting for him living there. But he really stayed because he loved it. This is his kind of place.
Oh, we're looking in the gift shop window. Let's see, would you like to have this cat down here or this cat over here? Hey, if they're in the gift shop, it might be fair game.
I'll take that one. That's cute.
This is called the elephant booty pool shot. Oh yeah. Oh my.
Oh. You,
Well, that one.
You want to be my friend.
That one likes you. Okay.
The cat whisperer. I didn't even do it.
I guess you found which one we're taking home. Oh, wait, there's more. There's more choices.
Whoa. I feel like I'm at a cat cafe.
What have you done to this cat?
Just fed it.
Oh. Ma'am.
That's the best. I didn't even touch it. It just came on me. Well, I guess you know me now. Oh my goodness. This is the best way to pick out cats.
Yeah.
These are the ones you want forever. Oh my. You.
Y'all, some sleepy cats. I mean, what other kind of cats are there, really? Look at all them toes.
This is my favorite tour we've been on so far.
Yeah, I don't think we're going anywhere anytime soon, so... Alright, this is where we live now. Wow.
Hello. You like that?
Okay.
Oh.
Wow.
Gosh, I can't take my mask off and smile.
Day 27 of trying to get Dee to put the cat down.
I'm not holding it. I'm not holding it. It's just staying. Okay, I'm glad you're not actually using your claws.
No. Use your soft feet with all them toes.
Has anyone else come to the Hemingway house and had this happen to you? Let me know in the comments below, please.
I would imagine. So your kitty only has 5 toes on the front feet. Yeah, no, I think the thing is that all the cats carry the gene for polydactyl, but they're not all like displaying. Yeah. Come home with you. I'm not polydactyl. You finally been released by your kitty friend.
So sweet.
Kitty. And the kitty chose to get off you, so that's really funny. No, look, you're gonna get in more trouble. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, get out of here, cat. She's dangerous. Yeah, no, no.
What should I name it?
Persistent.
Percy.
Percy, the persistent cat.
Percy?
Oh, good to see they have cat trees here.
Oh, look.
Okay. Well, we've got some historic drink machines and bathrooms. There we go. The story of the first six-toed cat. Snowball. Oh, there he is. And there's, you know, not Snowball, but they have these little houses all over they can just sleep in. I'm gonna sleep in there in a minute. Whatever. Gosh, now we find ourselves deep in the jungles of Key West. Crikey. Kinda, yeah. Of course, look, little kitty over there. Oh wow. Could have like functions and stuff out here. You could have like an 80s wedding. They've got like a huge fan. You could get like the music video, hair going, play some White Snake and just get married right there. In the still of the night. Yeah. Okay. Yep, I see all those toes.
Can I take a picture of you?
Would you like to be a model today? None shall pass. Kitty, are we allowed to go through? Oh, okay. Apparently so.
Last time I did that.
Yeah, you got in trouble last time you sat on a bench. So we're just gonna sit and chill now on a bench and enjoy the garden. See if any more friendly cats come up. I think we explored everywhere on the property except there. There was a back building that you could go up to, but I don't know if we're gonna make it up there or not, y'all. You know, I asked Dee what her goals were for today, and she said she just wanted to see some cats. So you know how it is. You know how it is. I told on you, I'm getting you in trouble. Oh, hello there.
I think technically this is the world's largest cat cafe. They just don't tell. Well, there's no drinks. Actually, they have soda machines.
That's true.
It could actually be.
But I mean, they have 40-some cats here, and the one in Tennessee had 60-something? Or was it 30? Oh, okay. Then I overestimated.
I'm just kidding. It's not, but it's
no,
amazing.
It is. Y'all, come here. Sit in these gardens. Pet these cats, if you're allowed to. If the cats allow you, if they jump on you, you're just defending yourself by you know, petting them. So self-defense petting is okay.
There's no signs. No one said you can't.
That's true.
I literally just.
I just heard a noise behind me. Is there a tiger back there or something? I am in the jungle. All right, bye, y'all. This tree is about to attack me. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. We're having another stroll back through the garden because, you know, never enough cats.
No.
Oh, they've got cats just out of your reach. So sad. Oh, that is a nice little patio. Catio. Alright. I always want to plant some of these in our garden at home, but I never know how much it's going to cost us. Plant jokes. What? I'm just down here making plant jokes. Ignore me. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Cost us a lot?
Yeah, it's fine.
What'd you say?
Nothing. Bye. Bye. Oh, I think these are some of their kitties they used to have.
Aww.
Wow. Well, if that's true, Kim Novak from 75 to 97? Wow.
Really?
I mean, they got little cat footprints on these things. Yep. Missy, 84 to 02. These are some impressive, if these are cats, that's impressive. Yeah, I know they usually name them after famous people, so yeah, here's a bunch of other little plaques about their kitties. Alrighty, let's try the gift shop / bookstore. Cute. How much for a cat? No, you can't. You can't have the cats.
He's like knocked all the cats over.
See, well, all right. So that one is $5.95 plus tax, clearly, because that's what the shelf says. Oh, that one says, "Careful, I bite sometimes." Okay, well, we'll be careful then. I'll take the $5.95 one. Oh, they've even got pins with cats on them. Okay, y'all.
You have to get one.
Wow.
That's too cute.
All right. Wow, Elvis is frisky. Okay, bye, Elvis.
Especially this area.
Yeah. How much is that kitten in the window?
They wouldn't let us have it.
That one bite.
Cat. Well, not through the glass, hopefully.
That's so funny.
Wow, just smush, smush, smush. Yeah, there is the one area that we did not do. I don't know what's up there, but you know what? We'll leave it as a mystery for y'all. Y'all got to come here and find out what the heck is up there on the roof in that second building. Watch, now I can see y'all in the comments being like, oh my gosh, that was the coolest thing up there you missed. It was a solid gold. No, you can't. It's a mystery. Oh my gosh.
You don't run all the way.
You hear her? I'll just peek at a cat while we're up here.
I'll just wait for you here.
Okay. Aw, well this is cool. I'm glad we came up here. But yeah, as of right now, only one person at a time can be in this room. So hey, here's a little pan for all we got. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Okay, we did it.
One person.
Well, well, well. Oh, you found a friend again.
Oh, the same one.
Of course. You totally missed this friend. Oh.
Sweet.
The house is here, guards are on both sides. If you have any questions, we're on the road.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, the cats can't get over the fence.
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. All right, we're back out and free again. That was awesome, though. We've never done that. Yeah, how sad are you to leave your cats? Well, yeah.
Super sad.
You can sneak a last-minute peek. Oh gosh, y'all! If you want to come see some cats for free, just come peek through this gate.
Well, not always. They won't always.
That's true.
That's true.
Wow. Come down to Garrison Bite Marina just to get ready for our next afternoon adventure, and I see a Thai restaurant calling our name because I'd like a little lunch before we go out on this next venture.
Me too, yeah, for sure.
Both decided to be healthy and start off with a salad.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
That's right, it is Cinco de Mayo when we're having Thai food.
That's us.
Yep. And of course we both have gone with chicken pad Thai. I mean, how can you not? I know there's lots of other stuff at Thai restaurants, but I always seem to get, are you wiggling? She is wiggling.
Sorry.
The chicken pad Thai. Look at that wiggly chicken pad Thai. Well, spoiler alert, here is our next ride. Yes.